Good
morning.
Good morning, very good morning. Shall we continue PNC or any doubt in question paper?
So, question paper, first question, have doubts.
First,
First question, sir. In that 5 power 5 power 5 power 5, 24 times.
24 times. Let be any time 5 to the power 5. I am taking the least condition, any power. This will be in the form of odd. This will be an odd number.
Yes.
But it will always be an odd number. Okay. I'm not taking that it's divisible by 5 or something, anything. The least condition I'm taking. This will be the odd number, irrespective of number of 5. Okay, whatever it is.
Yes.
This will be of this form. So 5 to the power 2n plus 1 equals divided by 24. 5 into 24 plus 1 to the power n equal to some 5 into 24k plus 1. What is the remainder? Remainder is how much?
5.
5.
Yes.
Any other?
No, sir. Please.
Any one of you have any doubt? 20?
13th problem, 13th.
1, 3.
Yes, 1, 3.
This is series. One plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 into 4 by 1 into 2 is into 1 by 3 to the power 4. So whenever this kind of series is there, you always compare with this 1 plus x to the power m for rational index. It will be of that form 1 plus mx plus m into m minus 1 x square by 2 factorial. Okay. Now here it is 1. Mx is 1 by 3 square. Okay. So m square x square is 1 by 3 to the power 4. So it will be, just come to this term. M into m minus 1 x square by factorial 2 equals m square x square by 2 factorial minus mx square by 2 factorial equals 1 into 4 by 1 into 2 into 1 by 3 to the power 4. So m square x square is 1 by 3 to the power 4. So this equals 1 by 2 into 3 to the power 4 minus mx. Mx is 1 by 3 square. 2 factorial into x equal to 1 into 4 by 1 into 2. So this type of, from there we will get x. Once we have x, put the value of x here, we will get m. Okay. Then it will be wait a minute. थोड़ा lengthy हो रहा है, मैं दूसरे टाइप से कर रहा हूँ कैलकुलेशन, just wait.
Yes.
From here also we will get m. X is 1 by m into 3 square, putting here. Two into x square. One by two. X is 1 by 3 square. 1 by 3 is about 4 into 1 by m square equals how much? This value. 1 into 4 by 1 into 2. 1 by 3 is about 4. This gets cancelled. Okay. So from here we will get m. 1 by m square equal to 2, 4. M is m square is 1 by 4
That minus 1 also does not have it.
plus or minus 1 by 2. M is plus minus 1 by 2. Now mx must be how much? 1 by 3 square. Mx is 1 by 3 square. If you take m 1 by 2, x is, if you take m negative, it will get, so for m 1 by 2, x is 2 by, यही है ना mx 1 plus mx.
Yeah, you can take m into m minus 1 there. You can consider that.
कहीं गड़बड़ लिखा है?
M into m minus 1 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 power 4.
अच्छा, here.
Yes, you can take that.
That's right. एक मिनट थोड़ा कैलकुलेशन कर रहा है. M minus 1 by m equals 4. चेक कर लो एक बार.
Yes, 4.
4m. M is
Minus 1 by 2.
m is minus 1 by 3. If m is minus 1 by 3, from here we'll get x. X is also minus 1 by 3. What he is asking? M minus 1 by 3, x minus 1 by 3. This is 2 by 3, 3 by 2 to the power 1 by 3. Sum. ये है ऑप्शन में.
Yes, sir, option.
Option B, 3 by 2, 1 by 3, correct. Simply you compare this term, all this type of like nonsense series. It will be for some m and x, you put some x or some m rational, we'll get this type of, if you expand this series, you will get all this stuff.
Yes, sir.
You can take. So we have only two unknowns, x and m. So we need to compare only two terms. We need to compare only two terms. First term anyway, it will be 1. Any other? Any other question? बोलो जुनेद.
Sir, the question paper नहीं आया, so we didn't receive the question paper still. We'll ask tomorrow for doubts.
और देखो. Or any other question any one of you want? चलो पीएनसी का एक क्वेश्चन कर रहा हूँ.
Hello, sir.
हेलो.
Sir, one question is there, sir.
Which one?
1 minute, sir. I will say. Sir, find the coefficient of the term independent of x in the expansion x plus 1 by x power 2 by 3 minus x power 1 by 3 plus 1 minus x minus 1 by x minus x power 1 by 2.
I think we discussed this question in the class. Any one of you remember?
Yes, sir. Remember.
Huh?
Remember, sir.
We have discussed or not in the class?
Yes, sir.
Because it has come in JEE not only one time, many times. So you want me to do again? Just I am giving you a hint. A cube minus B cube equal to A minus B into same way A to the power n minus B to the power n. A square plus AB plus B square. Now x plus 1 we can write x to the power 1 by 3 whole cube plus 1 cube, A cube plus B cube, A plus B plus A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. Okay, so this factor will get cancelled here, and in numerator part x minus 1 you can write as x to the power 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 square, A square minus B square, x to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 okay. So now in both the terms x plus 1 by x to the power 2 by 3 minus x to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 minus x minus 1 by take x to the power half common, x to the power half minus 1. Okay, it will get cancelled. Here we are left with only this factor will get cancelled. So this will be x to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 minus here x to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 by x to the power 1 by 2. Okay, this equals x to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 minus 1 minus x to the power 2 x to the power 1 by 3 पूरे में पावर है कुछ 10 minus x to the power minus 1 by 10 2 to the power 10. This whole to the power 10 basically. Now, general method, let r plus 1th term be independent of x.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, बाकी हो जाएगा आगे.
Yes, sir.
Or else you see the class notes, somewhere it will be there. Any other question? Okay, let us continue PNC. Come to question number 21. Once you read it,
We don't have the question paper, sir.
so you remember I am dictating. If number of positive integers of at most 10 digits that can be formed using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 7. At most 10 digits. I will do it by two methods. Zero, 1, 2 up to 7. We have to use 8 digits, these 8 digits, and up of at most 10 digits. Means number can be of 10 digits, it can be of 9 digits, it can be of 8 digits, it can be of 7 digits, it can be of 1 digit also. Okay. So first, and because at most 10 digits, so it's obvious that repetition is allowed. Okay. Because number of digits, they have given only 8 and asking for at most 10 digits numbers. So obviously repetition is allowed. I'm counting one by one number of 10 digit numbers. Just first I will do it by lengthy method. Then I will do one line method. 10 digit number. We have to fill up 10 places. Here how many options? 7. We want exactly 10 digit number. So this place cannot be filled with 0. And in remaining 9 places, how many options?
8.
8. 7 into 8 to the power 9. Okay. Number of 9 digit numbers. क्या होगा? 7 into 8 to the power 8.
Yes, sir.
Number of 8 digit numbers.
7 into 8 power 7.
7 into 8 to the power 7. So on. So number of 1 digit number. Seven into 8 to the power 0 you take. Number of 2 digit number कितना होगा? 7 into 8 to the power 1.
8 power 1. Yes, sir.
So we have to add up this series. So total number of at most of 10 digits.
So one doubt, sir. Sir, for one digit number, we can put all the 10, all the 8 no, sir.
No,
Zero is
zero number of all positive integers. In the question it is
positive integers.
positive integers. Number of
Yes.
all positive integers. So it is only 7.
Yes.
So total equals 7 outside 1 plus 8 plus 8 square plus 8 to the power 9. How many times total? 10. GP. So see A into A is 1, R to the power n minus 1 by R minus 1. You take 1 minus R to the power n by 1 minus R, or R to the power n minus 1 by R minus 1. Same. Sum of n terms of a GP is A into or R to the power n minus 1 by R minus 1. Both are same. Take minus common. Only condition is R is not equal to 1.
1.
In books, you will find when R is greater than 1 or less than 1, there is no condition at all. Irrespective of value of R. If it is a GP of n terms, both are correct. So how much it's coming? 8 to the power 10 minus
1.
1. Once you write it, I will do it the other method, simple method. Shall I rub it?
Yes, sir.
See, in one step we can do, we have total 10 places. I'm taking in each place 8 options. 8 options, 8 options, 8 options, 8 options. Okay. So that is 8 to the power 10. And it will count all. Here 8 options means here can be 0, 0,
Yes.
0, 2, like that. 0, 1, anything. All possibilities. And out of this, one number will be this. In all places, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This will be also counted here. Because I am taking 8 options here. Suppose the option is 0. Here I am taking all 8 options. Here also 0 can come. All 8 options. So in all places simultaneously 0 will come. That is only in one case. And this is not a positive integer. This is not positive integer. Minus 1. It will count all 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 10 digits, all. Understood, Junaid?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Sir, can you 25th one, sir? Sir, done.
Shall I rub it?
Yes, sir.
The sum is coming 10 in denominator part. So 1 factorial is 1. So multiplying and dividing by 10 factorial. Okay. So 1 by 10 factorial into 25th I am doing. 10 factorial divided by 1 factorial into 9 factorial. After that, 10 factorial by 3 factorial into 7 factorial plus 5. 10 factorial by 5 factorial into
5 factorial.
plus 10 factorial by 7 factorial into 3 factorial. 10 factorial by 9 factorial into 1 factorial. 1 factorial is 1. Is 10C1, 10C3, 10C5, 10C7, 10C9. All odd terms. Total 5, 12, 10. NC1, NC3, NC5 plus NC7 plus NC9. Sum of all odd coefficients in the binomial expansion 1 plus x to the power 10.
Yes, sir.
You know that C0 plus C2 plus C4 equal to C1 plus C3 plus C5, irrespective of the value of n. Irrespective of value of n. In the expansion 1 plus x to the power n.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Put x equal to -1. Putting x equal to -1, you will get it. Sum of all odd degree binomial coefficients, and that equals, suppose this is n to the power n by 2. Half.
Yes, sir.
So this equals
Or 9 by 10 factorial.
2 to the power 9. 2 to the power 9 by 10 factorial.
Hello, sir.
Uh,
Sir, how you got that 2 power n by 2, sir, in expansion? Right side, yes, sir.
This is identity. This is true for all x. Identities are true for all x. Sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. It's not equation, it's an identity. It's true for all x. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. It's an identity. It's true for all a and b. In the same way, this is identity. It is true for all x, for all natural number n. If you assign x2, x3, whatever result we will get, that is true. So we want this one to put x equal to -1. Shall I rub this part, first line?
Yes, sir.
Putting x equal to -1. This becomes 0. NC0 minus NC1 plus NC2 minus NC3. So from here, can we have this?
Yes.
In totality, if you put x equal to 1, the whole sum is to the power n. And both the sums are equal. And this plus this is to the power n.
Yes, sir.
Any other doubt?
No, sir.
एक सिंपल सा वर्ड है रैंक. Rank means you must have seen the dictionary, the way they arrange the word. So question is, if we use only these four alphabets, R, A, and K, rank, and arrange it in a dictionary in the way like dictionary, in which total number of arrangement will be how many? 4 factorial. Total number of arrangement will be how many? 24.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And out of these 24 words, in which position this word will be? That is the meaning of rank. In which position among all
Yes, sir.
24 words, if we arrange all the 4 letters at a time in dictionary, then in which position this word will appear? So let us count. Starting with A. Fix up A in first position. In dictionary we start with A, and we are using only these 4 letters. Okay. So remaining 3 letters can be arranged in how many ways? 3 factorial. There will be 6 words starting with A.
A.
Okay. There will be 6 words starting with A. Then K. There will be 6 words starting with K. 3 factorial. This is fixed here. Remaining 3 can be arranged in how many ways? 3 factorial ways. All the arrangement it will come. Then starting with N. Again, starting with N, how many words will be there? 6. Starting with R. After R, automatically A will come. Once you fix up R here, automatically A will come, and then K will come, and then N will come. K comes before N. Now fixing R and A. Then after this word, which word will come? N and K. Okay. After finishing N, starting with R, the first word will appear, this one. Starting with R, and then automatically A will come, then automatically K will come, then N. But we want A here. So after A, K is over, then N will come. So 18, 19, this is 20th word. Which word it is?
20th word.
20th word. Out of 24 words, this will be in 20th position. Okay, the rank will be in 20th position. Similar question I am giving. Anything you can take? MS Junior College will be bigger. Wait, MS Junior. MS College. if all the letters of the word MS College has been arranged in dictionary order, then what will be the rank of this word? Means among how many? Here repetition is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. Factorial 9 by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Total number of arrangement. Among all these arrangements, factorial 9 by 2 factorial by 2 factorial. ये बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा. Only college. All the letters of the word college has been arranged in dictionary order. Among all the words, कितना हो जाएगा? 2 to 4, 6, 7. 7 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. कितना हो जाएगा total arrangements? ठीक है, 1260 चलेगा. All the letters of the word, this has been arranged like dictionary order. Find the rank of this word among all the words, in which position this word will appear. सेम है, 2 मिनट ट्राई करो, देखो कितना समझ में आया.
Sir, you are muted, sir.
Sorry. Starting with C, the first word only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 here, no? Starting with 6, this is 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial.
2 factorial.
2 L's and 2 E's are there. Now after C, E will come because we want this word. We
Yes,
don't want the word starting with any other alphabet. After C, which letter will appear?
E.
E.
Now remaining 5 letters can be arranged in how many ways? 5 factorial by 2 factorial.
Yes.
Now remaining 5 we have only one E. In remaining 5 we have only one E and 2 L's. Now we don't want E here. After E, which one will come? G. And we don't want G. And remaining 5 can be arranged in how many ways? 5
5
factorial by
factorial by 2 factorial into 2
2
factorial.
factorial. Okay. Now after G, which alphabet will appear here? L.
Yes, sir.
C, L. Remaining 5, we have only one L. 5 factorial by 2 factorial. Only 2 E. L is 1 in this remaining 5. These two are fixed. After L, which one will come? O. And we want this. We want CO only. So let's take care of the next alphabet. Here, after fixing these two, which one will appear first? E.
Yes, sir.
Now, remaining 4.
4 factorial by 2 factorial.
4 factorial by 2 factorial. Okay. Now, after E, again will come L.
Gina, sir.
After E, automatically it will come. अच्छा G भी आएगा ना?
G
G.
will come.
G will come. So remaining COG, 2 L's, 2 E's, 4 factorial by
2 factorial, 2 factorial.
2 factorial into 2 factorial, like that. Like dictionary only, we have to think. After G, it will come L. Now we will take care of next. COL. After L, which one will come? E. It will come E. After L, these three are fixed.
Yes, sir.
COL. Obviously, E will come. So remaining 3 can be arranged in how many ways? 1 L, 1 E. Remaining 3 are distinct. COLE. LE. LGE. All 3 are different. 3 factorial. Okay. COLE. We don't want E here. We want E is over. After D, it will come G. COLG. Remaining on 3. COLG. 3. 2 are
3
identical.
factorial by 2
2
factorial.
factorial. Now, after G, again it will come L. We want L. COLL. And obviously, it will come E. And we want E also. We want E also. After E, 1 E, again E will come. Now fix up these. Again E will come. after fixing these 4 letters, here which one will come? In the remaining 4, which one appears first? E. And we don't want E here. So E and remaining how many? Only G. Fix up E here. These 4 or 5 are fixed because we want in this order. So among these two, which one will come first? E. EG and then next
G.
G. These are fixed. Now you can count. This is how much?
30.
180. 180 होगा चेक करो. Will it be 180? Is 60? Is 30? This is 60. This is 12. 6. 6. 3. 1. कितना हुआ? ये रखो, 28. 28. This one is 120, 150, 150 plus 180, 330, 330 plus 28. 358. Up to here it is 358. Once you check, so this will be 359th word. ये अच्छा word है. एक बार once you check the addition,
You have to add all the cases.
huh?
You have to add all the cases.
Obviously, no, because before starting CE, how many words will be over? We already have written 180 words.
Yes.
So 180, 150 plus 180, 330,
Yes, sir. 359.
359th word.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Hmm.
So why we want to add 180, sir? So because all
Which
these
one?
words are starting with,
What?
sir, all
Starting
these
with
words,
C, starting with C, how many words will be there?
180.
180. So all these words will appear before these words. And these words will appear, these many numbers will appear before these many numbers. Before these
Yes.
many words.
Yes, sir.
These many words will be already written before these many words. The dictionary.
So that point I didn't understand, sir. Because
Which one?
so this 180, adding this 180. So because all these words are starting with the same letter C now, sir. So in that 180, all these words will be included.
गुड, सही बोल रहे हो. मैं ध्यान नहीं दिया शुरू में. No, Ishaq.
No, sir. Jasim.
No, no. Jasim is speaking. I'm talking to Ishaq. He's there or not? Once you check, hai ki nahi? Ishaq is there or not? He's there. Yes, right. We have to take care of that also. Means initially I did not see that because the word is starting with C, so all will be counted. Because
Yes.
whatever word you count with starting with C, if you add up all, it will come 180. It will come how much? If you just count with this, after that, whatever order it comes with C, 360, 59, 8 minutes, call LL. Good. It won't be there. He's right. Sorry. Because the first letter is C, very first letter is C, and next we want O. So till O appears, we will count all. We will count
Yes, sir. All number.
all. है ना? CE, CG, CL. Now next is CO. Then after fixing CO, E will appear, and we don't want E here, so we will count all the letters starting with E. Then we don't want E here, then it will come G. We don't want G here, then it will come L. We want L here. So fix up it. Then after fixing these, E will be there. Sorry, because the very first the word itself starts with C. So it will be how many? 150. 150 plus 28. 178. So it will be which one? देखो ठीक है, the addition is right or not? 150 plus 28, 178, till here 178. You understood what he said?
Yes, sir.
Right. चलो एक और कर लो फिर, बराबर होगा. Do one more question. I know the answer of this. Victory. All the letters of the word victory has been arranged in dictionary order. What is the position of this word? See, 180 will count all. Whatever more words will come with C and all will be counted in 180.
180.
Do it. Tell me the answer, numerical value.
Yes, sir.
I'm giving you the answer. The answer is 3733. Answer given.
3733, sir.
3733, you count it. It's a common question.
Okay, sir.
And if any doubt left in the paper, question paper, you can ask tomorrow.
Very well.
Okay?
1 minute, sir.
Shall I disconnect?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Allah Hafiz.
Thank you, sir.